Okay. We're good? We're good. Okay. Last thing I gotta do. Yes. I have been absolutely blasted by the sun today. And that's being, like, nice. The sun has demolished me. Can you... You can kind of see. You can kind of see. The sun was not very friendly today, but it's fine. Okay, you're supposed to be there. You go there. I don't know why that song is stuck in my head, but it is. So we're just gonna keep going with it. Okay. Gotten 50% of this gap noise. I feel like I'm missing something, but I'm pretty sure I'm not. But I feel like I am. I'm sure it's fine. I'm sure we get it. Okie dokie. So we have now filled this gap. Well, we've filled 50% of the gap. Are we gonna continue lower? Well, it reached that level I was kind of hoping it would go to. Rude. But it just carried on. Actually, then theoretically my TP was perfect. Absolutely perfect. Hey, Joy of Travel. What up? How are you? How's it going? How was the rest of the trading day? Evening? Morning? Where you at? A perfect play. How are you? Where you been? Hey, Southpaw, how you doing? You were tricked earlier when you posted a video. Sorry. How are you doing, South? And you're on early. What's up? Just been following price. Oh, nice. Deepak, what up? How's everybody? Good for you, Billow. No spamming, please. I don't think any of my mods are here yet, but I will happily put you in a timeout. Just saying. I ain't afraid to put you guys in a timeout if need be. Veterans Day summer. Oh, amazing, Southpaw. Bam, and I ban. There we go. Never mind. David's here. I don't have to be on duty anymore. Buyers are not strong today. No. No, Joy of Travel, not at all. But I'm waiting to see, do you think it's going to continue to fill this inverse fair value gap completely before we potentially reverse? I mean, we still got some time. We still got a bit of time. Let's see what it wants to do. But this kinda, like we're slowly heading down, but it's kinda ranging. So that's not ideal. Did LP get it for you? So it's Southpaw. What are you going to do today on your day off? Are you going to be trading today? Are you just going to chill? What's the plan? Maya code. Looking to go to 550. 550, we're 550 in. Okay, let me make a little doodab here. Really, only 550? You don't think it might go lower? Or is that just like the minimum that you want to hopefully see it go? Use sugar, honey, iced tea. I swear it does this on purpose sometimes. Okay, 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 okay. I'll get it, I'll get it, I'll get... No, maybe I won't get it. Okay, that's as good as we're getting. Okay, moving on. Get lots of freebies, Southpaw. What freebies do you get? Oh, David, my bad. Oh, I'm so sorry. Damn. Damn, when David yells at me, then you know. I'm so sorry. Damn. Maybe someone needs a nap. Oop. Okie dokie. I've missed a lot of things. A lot of things. Anyways. You Sav? Or you... I'm gonna butcher that over here. Even try. Why was the belt arrested? Holding up pen. Skeletor, that's not your best. You've had better. You've had better, I'm just saying. That's the problem with coming on with such good jokes. Is the good ones are meh. Of course I can keep going, but let's see. Okay, Joy travels. My plans get cancelled, so I decided to confuse. Nice, okay, Rip. What were your plans? Were you gonna go chill? Haircut, coffee, and meals all day. And it's freebies because you're a veteran? That is awesome. You know, obviously you had to work, but you know, you get what I mean. It's nice that you have a day where you can spoil yourself. I could use a haircut. It's not looking great right now. Hey V, what up? How's it going? Yeah guys, so I did pin my affiliate code. Top 1 has a 50% discount going on currently, which is amazing. I mean, 50% is... 50% is 50%, but 50% discount. Super cool. It's 1:21 AM. Okay, so definitely need a nap. Damn, David. Sierra, what up? How are you? Yeah, LP, I can't. I don't have the horizontal streams chat. I only have the vertical streams chat. Boxers don't wear glasses because boxing is a contact. Oh, okay, there we go. That was better. Skeletor, that was much better. How long have I been trading for? Amazing facts. I've only been trading since April. Made a profit of $712 in gold today. Damn! Damage, that's amazing! Whoop whoop! Well done! That is so freaking cool. That is very well done. What was it? Buys? Sells? What's gold doing? I haven't even checked it out. Oh, thanks, Southpaw. Am I in a trade, Kelvin? No, I'm not. No, I'm waiting for New York Open. So, I sit and I wait. We have a few more minutes until open. So, I wait. Skeletor. Skeletor. Skeletor? That was really good. I like that one. I really like that one. I'll save some here to show you. Awesome. What's the magic trick? Poof. Now you're here, now you're not. Is that it, dude? Hot Cheetos, what? No, David, that was a good one. Oh, so Southpaw, are you in the vertical or the horizontal stream? Then I can explain. It's a disappearing trick, yeah. Exactly. Southpaw, sea, water, especially today. Like I said, I got destroyed by the sun today. Wow. Sure, it was hot. It was so hot that my poor horse was just standing there sweating. It's like 30 degrees. Ah, okay. So, Southpaw, if you go to the vertical, you can see that I've pinned a message. So you can pin a message so it kind of stays up at the top, and if anyone pops in, they can see that message. but I do not have access to my horizontal chat, only my vertical chat. So I pinned the message on the vertical chat, not the horizontal one. Thanks, David. Yeah, guys, don't forget to like this channel. Let's get this party started. I know we're not doing anything yet. We're literally just having our pre-chit chat. Our pre-chit chat to see what's happening. Who thinks what's gonna happen? We got 4 minutes to go. Oh dear. Okay. Oh, does it stay at the bottom of the chat? Oh, see? See? Cool. For me, it looks like it goes to the top. Interesting. Thanks, David. If you're okay with... I'm gonna pick up how it looks on my end when I trade. Go on. Joy of travel. Why not? Catbox, hello. How are you? How's it going? No. Southpaw, you good. You don't have to do anything. John, good morning. Well, afternoon for me, but good morning to you. How are you? How's it going? The rip notes the low. Well, I noted how it went there. Rip just saying. Hasn't even... The London low here. Okay. Let's see if it comes to take it out. 3 minutes to go. Okay, we're building up a little bit of speed. Thank you, Joy of Travel. I will go check it out after this. Krishna, hello from India. Hello back from South Africa. How's it going? I'm busy lately. I couldn't join. Forgive me. Oh, Casbox, don't stress about it. Don't worry. I know everyone has lives and things that they gotta do. Here we go. A minute to go. Let's watch what opening brings. If it's gonna bring anything good, because it is a holiday today. I mean, David, it makes sense. Clearly it bores you because you're just like, okay, cool. Did you have dreams about the charts? Maybe that's the question. Did you dream about the charts? If so, then maybe you're slowly becoming one of us. One of us. Okay. Aw, everyday gym journey. I love that. Thank you. Also, I love the gym journey. Let's do this. Fitness and gains and all those cool, awesome things. Yeah. Did I say 1 minute to go like a minute ago? I feel like I did, but okay. Still a minute to go, by the way. Southpaw, yeah, I know. So we're in the green. I missed like 2 trades. I did. You can see this one here was a miss. Then theoretically I missed this one as well. But luckily I got in on this last drop down. I trusted my confluences and it was a goodie. So that was... You did? Are you going to Cape Town for Christmas, Casbox? That's so cool. That is amazing. Again, I've never been to Cape Town, which is probably sad for a South African, but it's fine. Apple Pie, how are you? How you doing? How was the rest of the... Oh, no. How was the rest of the session for you? Yesterday? See several indications that the market should go up, but opening is always tricky to me. So... Southpaw, I want to agree with you. I've been saying that I think it wants to pull this gap, this inverse fair value gap, and then go up for the Asia highs at least. At what level is it at? There we go. 768. Around there. But, right, you can't just have a bias and be stuck to it. You do whatever the chart says. Southwest Carp Hunter, whoa! Hi, how you doing? How have you been? I just slept through most of it. Nice. Clearly you needed the rest, right? That's always my argument, is that if you KO, clearly you needed it. I mean, this is not starting great. Wait, maybe I'm lying. Maybe there will be something. Again, I'm not exactly expecting magic today because of the holiday. Besides the heat, how was my horse ride? Oh, David, it was good. The one just, I mean, to be fair, they both just walked, but because it was too hot and they're in, I don't know how to explain it, but basically they had an injection, so you can't push them too much because they're not feeling 100%. So it was just walking, but oh my gosh, just oh my gosh. I'm always right off the first 30 minutes. Market open until it settles out. Really? Like always. Southwest Carp Hunter. So what do you think it's gonna do now? Yeah, apple butter, this is not looking great. Ah, I say that. Maybe we're gonna start pushing up. Maybe we're gonna have something decent. Would have maybe preferred to have seen her take out the lows before going back up, but I guess we just carry on. Rambo, the chart says go to sleep, stay or blow your account. Okay. Well, Rambo, I mean, I'm already in the green for today. Let's see, I'm only gonna go if the opportunity presents itself. If not, then I guess no trades in the afternoon again. Sorry. The afternoon sessions have become very chillax since the mornings have been going well. Resistance at 619, if it breaks and holds, I think it should go up. At 619.19. Let's see. Oh my goodness, just do me a solid. There we go. Okay, let's see. 7 imbalance important. Please find 930 and 932. I'm in crypto, so it's always valid. Okay, that's valid. How much in the green am I up? 382.84, so I guess $383. Not bad, right? Hey, chart. Fellow chart nerd. What up, Jordy? Exactly. So if I have to just sit and wait for something perfect, then I guess I'm just gonna have to sit and wait for something perfect. It's playing with this 19 area. Southpaw. It's up. No, there we go. There, we've broken it. Hey gamer, what up? How's it going? Marvin Republic. Hello. With how much lot do I trade? Well, I just say risk. I trade around $200 risk. 300 plus in 2 days. Mine, not bad. Really? Oh yeah. Damn. Thanks, David. Yeah, let me not get too excited. Yes, that's all I'm gonna say. Let me not get too excited. Great for the day. USD. Calvin? Yeah. Yeah? Are you asking if those are the dollars? Yes, those are the dollars. Is this Forex trading? No, sorry, this is the Nasdaq futures. Well, I mean, we broke down. This is just looking sideways. No, no, my nightmare. My nightmare fell. Precious metals are exploding. Really? 51 today. Excellent. Ooh, nice, John. This massive one or the small one? Which one are you talking about? There's this huge inverse fair value gap. It's on the 4 hour. Is it the 1 hour or the 4 hour? I think it's on the 4 hour. And then this is yesterday's first presented fair value gap that I've taken across. It was my main confluence. Well, I'd say my main, but it was one of my confluences actually for this trade, and it worked pretty well. Have I ever traded leverage? I have not, Calvin. No, not new. Arthur, it's futures. Yeah, the Nasdaq futures, or what is the top 100? Yes. Yeah, S&P is the top 500. I see a John Wick candle forming on the 2-minute chart. What is a John Wick candle? Sorry, I've never heard someone mention a John Wick candle. I did use the Geordie gap. Absolutely. Of course I used the Geordie gap. That was one of my main confluences for that trade today. I mean, check how well it respects the Geordie gap. There, boom. Geordie gap down. Geordie gap down. Like, obviously sometimes it goes a little bit higher, but it's still, even here. Geordie gap. You can see the bodies didn't close above it, and there was the big wick down, and now it's broken out of it. So speaking of, do we have a... Not yet. About to say, is this little itty bitty... Nope, never mind. Ignore me, I was gonna say, hey, it's closed. It has not. Well, when it is in the range, this is where they are in fair value. Do I do Forex and crypto too? Oh, sorry, Arthur, no. Well, I haven't looked into it. I haven't looked into it yet. Yeah, me neither. So, Southpaw? Are you going to be teaching us something new today? What's a John Wick candle? Oh, well, we have to call it something, Geordie. It's the... How about the Geordie imbalance? Okay. Oh, thank you, JS. Doesn't always mean what it is said to represent, but the John Wick candle, also known as the hammer candle, but it's more fun to call it John Wick candle. Southpaw, what does it look like? What time do you have it at the two? You said in the 2-minute chart, right? Is it this with like a big wick and a small body, like a big downward wick? Sorry, I'm now genuinely curious about what a a John Wick candle is. Wait. Nope, I'm getting overly excited for no reason. We are literally just going sideways. Hey Axel, what do I trade? I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. And it's not... I don't know anything about it either. I've just started earning. What do you suggest? How to get into it and learn to manage your finances? Well, Arthur, I think it would depend on what you are looking for. Are you looking to be active in it, in the process? Are you looking to put your money aside and not look at it again? You know, what are you looking for? Because there's 3 different ways of trading. There's day trading, like scalping, which is what I do. There's swing trading, and there's investing. Long wick, short body. Okay, cool. Thank you, David. Wanted to make things simple for people in Discord to understand, and I get this. Oh man, Rip, come on. Wait. Wait. What have we got here? No? What is this? Is this gonna be a fair value gap? I will laugh so much. Nope. And wait. And nope, never mind. I'm also patiently waiting for a fair value gap. Geordie, look at your little gap go. Okay, you're right. I can't call it a Geordie gap anymore. Geordie, look at your little imbalance go. There are rules to it, but we'll get in time for now. Using it as a point of interest is super good. Okay, thanks, Geordie. I'm kind of curious about the rules to it, but I guess one step at a time, right? I get it. The gap is what we'll call it. Fine. Submit on 34th minute. It looks different on your chart than it does. It's only a bottom wick with no top wick. Oh, okay, got it. Got it. So it looks like a hammer. Do we have to call it little? It matters. I'm sorry, Geordie, my bad. It's not about the size. Oh, come on, it's funny. Anyways. There's a great little John Wick candle at the 12th minute of this hour. That doesn't really count, does it? Are we gonna have something here? Nope, maybe not. Hey, Bob! What's up? How's it going, Bob? With great power comes a great responsibility. Yeah, totally makes sense. Chicks, what game is this? This is no game. This is trading. We take things super serious here. Damn, my shoulders are red. Lesson learned. Don't go to the stables in a strappy shirt. It's just really hot. I didn't want to wear a long sleeve shirt. GX, you made me nearly choke on my water. You're ready to full port. Honestly. No? You think size matters when it comes to the John Wick candle? Okay. Why? The bigger the wick, the better? I should maybe stop talking. This is gonna go really bad really quickly. Trading like Pokemon. I wish. If Pokemon were real, I would have all of them. 100%. Oh, that's interesting, Southpaw. That makes sense. Yeah, honestly, GX, I could have died. Why do you want to kill me? Honestly. Okay, respecting VWAP a little bit as well. Bleh. Sorry, I'm going bleh about the market because this is not great. Just wicking out all over the place. Wiki, yep. Any platforms out there to let you trade options? Yes. To keep our friendship, what's your favorite Pokemon? I'm gonna sound so like basic. Eevee. You can't not love Eevee. Is this the world's tiniest fair value gap? Like, I don't even know if this counts as a fair value gap. Okay, let me wait for this candle to close before I start getting excited. Hey yo, Wade! What's up? How's it going? Pikachu? GX? You need 15k for your trip to London at the end of the year. And Snorlax is your favorite. I mean, Snorlax is so cool. He is so cool. Nah. I don't Jordy, that doesn't count, right? I don't think that counts. Does it count? Does this itty bitty thing count as a fair value gap? If, of course... Oh, there we go, closed. This cannot count as a fair value gap. Peter Jones, do I smoke weed? Okay. That's a micro gap. I know! Like, does it even count? I mean, it respected it. It is a gap. And it is the first presented gap. It's just... I have to zoom in. Oh, buddy, okay. Wait, I gotta zoom in closer. Here we go. I don't know if we can count this as a gap, but okay. We'll find out if price reacts there. It looks like it is. It kinda does. Tapped into it and popped back up. It's so cute. Hey Zubair, what's up? How did it go yesterday? Did I make some profit? I did. Maury, I was up $400 yesterday. Today, not looking bad. I had a win in the London session. You can see it over here. There we go. There's my win from this morning. I did miss some other trades. Oh, okay. It just went straight through that. Oh. Oh, damn. Oh, damn. Okay. But it does mean, because it is a bank holiday, if nothing presents itself today... Yeah. When did I start? When did I start trading? I started trading in April. Yeah. So it's been, what, going on 7 months? Cute little thing. Only True Trader! Hi, how's it going? Only True Trader, I'm gonna ruin your... I want to say your addiction with prop firms. There's apparently... Well, apparently. There's a 50% discount going on with Top 1 futures currently, by the way. Do I have Bitcoin? I do not have Bitcoin, Wade, sorry. You think it's almost ready to cash out? What's my net profit? Oh, I don't have a net profit yet. I'm not profitable yet. Yeah, I'm not here to pretend I am. I'm here to show the very real journey of trading and how it's difficult. It is respecting this itty bitty fair value gap. What? Oh. Has it decided on... Oh? Hey, do we have movement? Whoa. Whoa. Okay, apparently the sellers won. Okie dokie then. No, it's not a bank holiday in South Africa. The gap is a guide. What's this big blue block on my screen? Oh, the big blue block. This one. The big blue block. Big blue block. Big blue. Say that fast, like 5 times. This was the inverse fair value gap on the 4-hour. Yeah. So it hasn't filled completely yet. Was it? Yeah. It was either on the 4-hour or the 1-hour, but it's an inverse fair value gap. Yep. Okay, London taken. Do I mark out this more legitimate fair value gap and see if it's a little bit better? Or do we just go with the itty bitty baby gap? And we say that the itty bitty baby gap is it? Or do we just see which one it respects more? Some decent selling there. Just a little bit. But it's not as big of a movement on ES. Hey, apple butter. Okay, it took out London low. That's what I was waiting for. So I thought it would take out London low and then potentially change to the buy side to take out Asia high and these equal highs. I mean, there's a lot of liquidity there. However, it is a very bearish day, so it could just continue dropping down. Hey, some guy. I was wondering where you were this morning. But how's work? Or are you off today? What's up? Happy Tuesday. Maury, it might turn. It's what I kind of thought it would do, but let's see. It could just continue going bye-bye. Oh! Damn, GX, I'm sorry. And those morning days and trapped also. Yeah. Yep. Way of travel trading done, but it hasn't hit your 550 level. Weren't you waiting it to hit the 550 level? Hey, gangster, what up? Southpaw, exactly. Am I funded? No, not yet. I'm still on an eval. Sorry, Harry was barking at someone. Going to drop a little and then head up and have a great trading. Oh, cheers, Southpaw. Enjoy. Enjoy your day of awesome things. I'm catching on the stream most days now because daylight's having some guy, but that makes sense. That's fine. But yeah, it was a goodie. I missed 2 other winning trades, but the one I took was still a win, so that was really, really cool. Yay! And now I guess we're gonna wait for confirmation of what this market wants to do. I don't know if I need to, or if I should take note of this. I'll draw a little blooky block over here. Let's see which one it respects more. The itty bitty one or the bigger one. I mean, obviously it's going to respect this to some extent, but still. But the monkeys. No, it's not the monkeys. It's very interesting. He doesn't bark at the monkeys. Very interesting. I mean, he nearly killed me the other day because I was riding Finn and Finn had too much energy and there was a hardy-dar sitting on the fence. So naturally, Harry ran up behind Finn to chase the hardy-dar, which obviously flew off, and Finn had a heart attack, which means he bolted, and I'm just there going, haha, today is the day. Which chart? I'm on the Nasdaq futures. 1,582 minutes. Damn, joy of travel. Whoop whoop, indeed. Hey, Matt, what up? Yeah, it's fine. No. So true that people in KZN can't speak Afrikaans. Wait. Now you got me thinking. I mean, there's not as much Afrikaans down here. Sorry, I'm from Pretoria, where it's super Afrikaans. There's not as much Afrikaans down here, but there is Afrikaans. Is there? You've just blown my mind. I mean, I haven't taken notice of anything, but now that you mention it, I guess not so much. No. Thanks for that little brain explosion right there. Zubair, Nasdaq futures. Where's the big blue block again on your chart? The massive one. Let's confirm it was either the 1 hour or the 4 hour inverse fair value gap. I apologize in advance because this is going to hurt your eyeballs. There we go. Well, on the 1 hour it's here. And I think on the 4 hour it's also. Yeah. No. On the 4 hour it's just a massive fair value gap, but on the 1 hour, it's an inverse fair value gap. Oh, I did not draw this very accurately. Yeah, I'll zoom in next time, Maya, honestly. There we go. That's better. Let's see. Oh, you're back. Okay, he's back. Huh. Okay, the respect is with the itty bitty one. Well, now I can basically keep this block here because we've created inverse fair value gaps. Cool. I'll just see if I can help you in. Oh, thank you, Joy of Travel. I appreciate that. No jobs has barely any Afrikaans. Really bad on Afrikaans. Wow, and that's, I've never taken note of it. Western Cape is 100% Afrikaans. Wow. I know some guys from KZN that not Afrikaans, but lots of people work with used to teach a guy during rehearsals by only speaking Afrikaans. That's actually how I learned. I was really bad at Afrikaans in school. High school actually taught me nothing with regards to Afrikaans, in all honesty. And only when I started hanging out with my Afrikaans friend who just spoke Afrikaans all the time was I then like, oh, now I understand Afrikaans really well. Well, not really well. Just, I cannot speak it. Devanshu, where am I from? I'm from South Africa. Have I ever played Call of Duty? I have. I'm not good at it. I'm not good at all. Wait, me? You asking me? Maybe I'm not talking about I go to war with my mother. That was amazing. Oh gosh, okay. Yeah, wait, it's so, and you don't even realize that you're picking up on things, and then all of a sudden they're speaking a full sentence and you're like, I understood that perfectly. Do I live in Australia? No. Why are the creeps coming out during the New York session? Normally they were there for the London session. Apparently it's creeper time on the New York session. Interesting. So De Silva, I am South African, born and bred. You're right, guys. Maybe I must get a proudly South African and just pop it on my forehead. Hey, Sergio, what up? Okay. Okay. No. I wanted to say now I can use this inverse fair value gap as a potential entry for a long. But I think I'm going to wait for a little bit more confirmation that we're going to be out of this rangy rubbish. Oh, there we go. Are we out? Are we done? Nico, you're from Cape Town, South Africa. Amazing. There's so many South Africans here. I love it. Lucky Lefty, Johannesburg. No, I'm in KZN. I used to be Joburg side. You tried trading, but it doesn't work with the check to check. Sergio, I mean, yeah, I guess it's quite tricky if you're trying to work around work. I know some people trade on their phones at work. I don't know how good that is, but you make it work, I guess. I don't know what to 650. Okay, let me make a little note here. So basically once it's properly broken above, and we're going back down. And this is why I said I need to wait for some proper confirmation. Ugh. I'm not gonna do it. I'm just curious. Like I said, I'm not gonna do it. It did take out the London low, so what I thought would happen was London low potentially up to Asia high, and those equal highs. Let's see. I'm only gonna take like A+++ setups. If I'm in the green, let's not ruin that. What am I trading? And Nico, I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. To be honest, you don't like Josie. Ooh, interesting. Wait, where are you from? No, I have asked you this. I'm sorry. I forgot. Why don't you like Josie? Hey, Celestial! I said Wiki earlier, and, well, it's just completely Wiki right now, so let's do this. The sellers are so strong on the tape right now. No beaches. I mean, yeah, that's true. So on the safe side, you would sell. On the safe side, theoretically, don't take a trade, but like I said, let's wait for confirmation. We are still so early into the we are already half an hour into the session. Oh, okay. I kind of thought we were still within the first 15 minutes. Nope, apparently not. Listening to you while getting ready to leave, I couldn't help but respond to your statement about trading while working. Nice, Southpaw. See, there we go. Where there's a will, there's a way. It's a bank holiday day, yes. Cool, I'm more into XRP trading. Ooh, nice, Nico. I mean, it's... I don't want to say same. I don't want to say same, but is it not kind of same? To a degree. Before I get yelled at. I've been live for like 45 minutes. I don't know, it's flying by. What's happening? Oh no, and the Wi-Fi's now having a moment. No. Work. If that worked, that would have been hilarious. If I just clap my hands, that's like one of those lights that you can turn on and off by clapping. I will go long here if the inverse be better. Yeah, I took a paper trade because I'm only true trader app. That's where I'm at right now. It just kind of looks like it's ranging and it's Game of Thronesing. Meaning there's a war going on between the buyers and the sellers by the looks of things. Let me do something. Whee! Boom, boom, boom. Hey! Junior Fundbag, how's it going? How are you doing? Are we all well, see, it would have been an entry here with the inverse fair value gap, but I'm not... Like I said, I need an A+ setup, and this, unfortunately, is not an A+ setup. Where? Oh, there it is. I want this trade to fail. Why? Only true trader, that's such a weird statement from a trader. Just saying. Why do you want it to fail? Is this Forex market? No, sorry, this is the Nasdaq futures. You're good. Have you looked at the concept of MMXM? Not really. If I try to be as honest as possible, I haven't. I have it on my list of things to research, though. I have a list. A very, very long list. Watch this be a success now. Only true trader. Watch it now be a perfect success. I didn't take it, so it's a higher probability that it will succeed. Just saying. Hey Jonathan, what's up? So do you use that Fundabag? Is that what you use? Then I would show I shouldn't trade bank holidays, more data. True. True. Only true trader. But it won't stop you from taking paper trades, right? Whoop! Damn! Ugh, can you imagine I took that? Whoa! The disappointment. Instant disappointment. Whoa. Okay, see, I'm glad I listened to myself. Can you imagine? Wait. The problem is now it's giving me bad ideas. On days like this where it's wiki. Yes, I'm sticking with it. The 4R strategy. Looks potential. But you have to have your bias and you... Whoa, okay, there we go. Ironically, it's still to do with this fair value gap. Okay, let's say I made it up there. Okay. No, but that's something I need a forward test and maybe paper trade before I start getting excited about that. Hey, there's that 55 level. Or 550, sorry. There's another 555. What's going on? Why are there so many 555s popping up all the time? If you like, you find out more from that. Join our live where you can ask about it. What live is this? Thunderbag? Where are you at? Spirit time trading. Oh, actually, someone's told me about that. I'm gonna have to have a look. I will hop on that. Thunderbag, absolutely. So I assumed you were South African from your surname. What part of South Africa are you from? Exactly, some entry feeling is good right now. Ooh, I've missed a lot. I'm so sorry. 27 year good luck. Hey, Richie man, what's up? Good right now. Yep. Celestial. Bob, what up? What happened? I should have taken a short. Joy of Traveler. To be fair, nothing here was a decent setup for me, so I'm glad I did nothing. Right? 25500. Strategy killing candle. Absolutely, damn it. You're from Eastern Cape. Nice. Oh, definitely. Thanks, Thunderbag. Oh, Thunderbag. Thunderbag. Wow, that was very non-South African of me. I'm so sorry. Oh, Thunderbag. Okay. Let's see. So, I think now potentially the next level is 25,500. Let me make a E mark. I'm very curious about all these levels. Actually looks like a goodie. There's a little bit of liquidity to be taken around this level here. Yep, there, yep. A little bit. I'm not going to say this is a great level, but it's a level. Gotta take note of all of them. Bounce there. Ooh, actually, wait. There was where the bounce happened first time. Noise. Okay. Oh, goodness gracious. And that's like 30 points. This would have been better. I'm just a tad bit too slow. Only for those whose strategy would call for a short at that point. Strategy didn't call for a short thing. Thank you, Southpaw. There we go. Exactly. 287 buy limits are waiting on that level. Oh, 287. 287. There we go. Oh, thank you for all the new subs, by the way. I remember the numbers that keep popping up. I'll chat to you on Discord or Insta. We might be able to use them. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, Ricky. You consider me completely intrigued now. Consider me completely intrigued. I want to know. This would have been a flipping good entry. I just don't know if I would trust this. The value gap very much, but broke below it, not just completely disrespected it. Worked off of it, worked off of it. Why does it kind of look like the buyers are back in play? Oh, Thomas would be so proud. This is starting to look like a damn Christmas tree again. Today is legs day. Perfect, Ricky. Random, where am I from? Where do I sound like I'm from? I heard that. Please don't let it be a snake. So I heard something rustling in the bushes, and I'm just like, no. Hey, Araz, what up? Random heavens, why? Sorry, when I read that, for some reason, I thought of, like, you know, those old family ladies where they're like, and they clutch their pearls. When I read that, I just thought, heavens. Sorry. I know that was so random. I have way too much. Maybe I have a bit of heat stroke. Oh, too much energy, too much rubbish going on today, but it's fine. Razzie Cry, right? Are you from the UK? Oh, oh. Never mind, that's not what you meant at all. But thank you. Look from an angel from heaven. Oh, thank you. I have a really good comeback for that, but you were being very nice and genuine, so I'm not gonna do that. They pulled their orders. Ooh. Ooh. Bank holidays suck. What time is it? Let's give it a little bit more time, right? We can do this. We can give this a little bit more time. Let's see if something good happens. I mean, this looks promising, kind of. Kind of. Yeah, maybe not. Every time I say that, it then proceeds to do nothing. Hey! Two Beast, what up? Guess, Two Beast. Boom. Now the pressure's on you. I really do have way too much energy. I'm so sorry, guys. Wait, they came back again. Oh, damn. Okay. I mean, this trade would have been at least mitigated by halfway. Yeah, maybe it was a goodie. Maybe I should have considered taking it, but I'm not gonna be a silly biscuit and take unnecessary trades today. I am in the green. I really want to now start getting profitable, right? I'm really trying to push. So it means smarter trades, better indicators, no, better confluences. That's it. Only true trader a little bit. A little itty bitty bit. But I understand it as well. It's like the smack over the head you need when you're thinking of doing something. Because imagine it worked. Then you probably would have jumped onto the charts and been like, let's go. Am I using Velanox? No, I'm using top one. And not so much SMT divergence. No, I use ICT and SMC concepts, but I have my little GAN box, which I know annoys some people and some people love it. But I use my little GAN box and it worked quite well for me. Okay. Tubies, where are you from? And how old are you? Maybe that's the question. What? Okay. This is kind of going nowhere slowly now. Let's see. It is a bank holiday. From the UK. I'm from South Africa and I'm turning 27 in literally... Should I tell you when I'm turning 27? Where's my calendar at? Aha! I can tell you I'm turning 27 in... Oh, crud. 1, 2... Oh, damn. In 3 weeks. No. Yes. In exactly 3 weeks' time. Awesome stuff. If the buying will start. Use 200. Work for me. People must hate the 200 EMA. I haven't heard of anyone using the 200 EMA. Ricky, to be fair. Always the 20 or the 50, but never 200. That's interesting. Birdfather, you're 12. You're 12? Damn, starting young. Inferno Fire! What's going on here? I'm waiting for an A+++ setup. And having chit chats with you guys because it is a bank holiday, so I guess I'm not expecting anything wow. I would have been in this trade. I guess I would have been break even by now, so that's cool. But I guess it's still not ideal. This is now slowed down completely. We've lost the volume. My advice for someone who's new to trading. Find a strategy that works for you, that makes sense to you. Because there's a lot of strategies out there. And some of them are going to click and some of them are just going to make no sense. Doesn't mean they don't work, it just means it doesn't make sense to you. And that's fine. So find your strategy, paper trade it, make sure you know when to use your strategy and execute it correctly. Then again, this is just my opinion. Please don't come at me, guys. But in my opinion, the next step would be to get a prop firm and start trading live using your eval account, whichever one you want to get. Because now you have your strategy. You've backtested your strategy with the paper trading where there's no risk. On the prop firm, it's real trading. And you get the emotions and the everything that comes with trading. And that's the FOMO. So I think that is the... Oh, damn, this would have been a win. Anyways. So the prop firm just helps you not blow through your capital. It gives you a little bit of cushion, right? And then from there you can start to do funded or trading live or whatever. But again, that's just my opinion. Now he knows why I say don't trade a bank holiday. Woo! Only true trader. Nice. See, cousin's super young. How is he trading? Who was my mentor? How did I learn ICT concepts? I'm Chris. So I had a friend that taught me the basics. Otherwise, everything else I've learned from this amazing community. Hey, Ayush. Big fan, thank you. What strategy do I use? So I use my own little strategy. It's a little GAN box. And as you can see, it would have been a win. I would have placed it, had my confluences. So I guess theoretically this one actually was a very good trade. It's just, as Only True Trader has said, it's risky because it is a bank holiday today. So things are a little bit unpredictable. This would have been my setup. Limit sell here and TP down there. It actually would have been a really good trade, so yeah. Like I said, these big wicks are just freaking me out, and on a bank holiday it is a little bit more on the risky side of life. We have officially filled this inverse fair value gap though. Officially. Where's the end of it? There it is. So I'm gonna keep note of it, but I am gonna pop that there. I think that is 300% gold. What, Ricky? What? Well done. But it's easier to learn the hard way and see why. No, that's valid. That is valid. Whoop whoop, break even at open and a small 1% win, very high resistance around bank line. Whoop whoop, Celestial. Well done. Green is green, right? Do see YT videos also much better than ICT. Oh, interesting, Thunderbach. Yeah, I've heard ICT can be a little bit overwhelming, right? I think overwhelming is the correct word for it. It can be a little bit... It's a lot of information. It's a lot of information. Oh, that's hard. Go away. You guys see the bug. Anyways, that's difficult with regards to a strategy for a beginner. Chat, anyone have any thoughts? I think that's quite tricky. I think you're gonna have to just do some research with regards to that. Like I said, I love my little strategy and it's super easy. Beginners can use it. It's almost stupid simple. But I don't want to sit here and say, use my strategy. Because I'm not here trying to, I don't know, get things out of this. I just like my strategy. I know some people hate it, but it is what it is. Using my details, using one of my CFD props he paid me, not bother, give it for free. Yep, he needs to feel the emotions of losing the account. Oh, sweet. Okay, Only True Trader. That's nice, though. Saving my mental capital for the rest of the day. Celestial. That's valid. Oh, I'm going. Find a bag. Let me check. My way of 30-minute, not 30-minute time cycles, to be fair. I know about the 1 hour and the 4 hour. They tend to be the thing to watch out for. My mentor's always saying buy and sell limits is just a target for the big boys. Really? I've never heard anyone say that. That's interesting. I never limit, always market. Oh, what? Some guy, I can't believe you agree with that. Really? You think limit orders are a scam? Wow, you get the better price. I'm so confused. Offense taken. No, I'm joking. Everyone is very much valid to their own way of trading, and whatever works best for them, right? Judging Big Daddy ICT. I'm not judging him. I think he's doing a great job. I just think it can be overwhelming. Which it can be. It's a lot of information. Bell 3. You want to rule the world. It's actually 30-minute cycles and 9-minute cycles. That makes scalping a bit more easy. Oh. Oh, that's interesting. I haven't heard of that. Hi, am I based in South Africa? Hell yeah! Proudly South African here. What up, guys? How's it going? Okay, so we filled the gap. We've taken out London lows. We now look like we're pushing higher? Question mark. Yes. Okay. Give me a second. Let me zoom out. A bit of an order block tab over here. Cool. There's that liquidity there. What's it looking like on the 15-minute chart? Not quite as far down as I thought it would go. Whoop, there it is. Okay. I thought I would have tapped a little bit more into the body of this order block before bouncing off, which means it could still come back down a little bit further. Sorry, I know I'm being very quiet. I'm analyzing. I'm judging. I'm judging the charts. Give me a minute. Nothing except for there. Okay, to be snow. The Healy. Lisa, what happened? Order book invisible for big money target to fill their orders and move price the other way. Okay, but okay. Hear me out. Because I've heard a few people say that, right? But my itty bitty little orders, like, do they even make a dent? Do they even matter? I guess in the long run, if everyone has the same trade, then yes, but does that make sense? Like, I'm such a teeny tiny, I don't even want to say I'm a fish in a pond. I'm like a tadpole in a pond. Nope. This is not ideal. Your local short provider, of course I do. What's up? I've missed a lot. I'm so sorry. I see there's an NWOG unfilled. Yes, there is. And for long at 522 for 10 points. Why there? LP? Is that where... I don't know, why there? Two. Sugar honey iced tea. Maybe that was correct. Oh well. You're a Maya in a pond. Thanks, Celestial. Vishal, what's up? Okay, Joy of Travel, I'll have a look. Cue the roasted music. What happened? Oh no, what did I do? I'm so sorry. To be snow. Hey, Cyber Nettle. What's up? Vishal, are you blocked? No. Oh, damn, okay. Of course you can, Cyber Nettle. The local shorts provider, yes, I said yes, damn, why are you looking at me? I think it's because a lot of people have similar ideas. Yep, those little orders are 0.5 and up to a lot, so they fill their orders by checking your limits, then stop, then reverse the price. No. Well, this I would have been at break even for. Where it kind of slowly looks like it's headed. Oh, bank holidays suck. So that would be there. I would have been in this. Let's see what happens. Hey, Ellipses! What up? How's it going? Michelle, but you are back. I'm so confused. I can read. Are you good? Is everyone good? Damn. Your local shorts provider, and? How was it? Why did you stop shopping at Woolworths and started shopping at Checkers? What happened? It's a piece of slow movement. Yeah, very. It's the bank holidays. Unfortunately, it is. I just smashed my heel into the wheel of my chair. The pain. Oh, the pain. Okay, moving on. What does Tuesdays usually like to do? Rip? No, that's valid, and obviously it doesn't help. I'm so sorry, I keep knocking my unicorn over. It doesn't help that it is a bank holiday. You got the Checkers mini motorbike down. I don't think David's here. I think David fell asleep. Like, I get frustrated when I see that these would have been wins. But I know that they are also unnecessarily risky. Sorry, I'm frustrated because, like I said, these could have been 2 wins. But being the key word. I guess trend is friend, right? And we're going down. Well, it's about to take out the liquidity point that I was looking at. Diesel, you need a group of people to trade with. Why a group of... Yeah? Is the stream lagging? Oh no, I'm sorry. Yep, looks like the stream is lagging. Sorry! Ellipses, you've been on the road all the way. Oh, damn, I'm sorry. Most people in RSA trade Forex. I've realized. Oh, nice, Celestial. What you gonna make? You found slugs in your pick and pay cab. No ways, you lie. Southpaw, I decided to take you with me. I heard you saying you could have taken a trade. No, Southpaw, no, you're right, you're right. I need to just keep telling myself that. It's... Ugh. You know, I think it's just frustrating when you see... Like I said, theoretically, I should have taken this. I think I just started to question it because of how it just completely went... Didn't listen to this level at all. So I was like, eh. And then I respected it beautifully. You're right, I just need to remind myself that it's fine. Your local shorts provider, I thought you were into Checkers. Why is it now your pick and pay cabbage? Anyways. Bob? Well, for the day, level to level. Oh, Bob, whoop whoop, that's amazing. Ellipses, have we had good trades today? Well, Ellipses, I just that trade in the London session. And now here we are. There's a cluster of NWOG and NDOG down below, so I was targeting that, but I got chopped up in that box. Oh no, Safiso, I'm so sorry. Yes, ellipses can see you, Shell. Don't you worry. Okay, well, it tapped the 25500 area. And it's taken some liquidity. Wait, LP, was that a loss then? Yes? Yes. But Safiso, with regards to your trading Forex, right? Everyone on this channel trades different things, but we all have similar ideas depending on how things are looking. So it's always nice to then get an idea of how the markets look. Oh, I feel so frustrated with myself, but it's fine. Did I move the NWOG over? Have I marked it? I did mark it. There it is. This is the level Rip was interested in. Even marked it out. Okay. Now it's taking liquidity. Let's just confirm that we're not going to shoot up slightly. So my prediction was wrong. I thought it would take the New York and then go back up for the Asia high and that beautiful equal high. It did not. It just kept going down. Yeah, swap to a short. Oh, nice. Okay, LP. You trade NQ and ES. Oh, it's a piece of... Oh, well then, welcome. Welcome, welcome. That's what we do here. Hey, Willifree, what's up? Oh, amazing. How's DJ and Wolf doing, Bob? Let's see if they are starting by. Yeah, that's what I'm waiting for, Joy of Travel. See, I marked it out. It literally got you into the tick. So now let's see if we get that confirmation. Like I said, it took out liquidity. I expected to have a bit of a greater pullback before potentially dropping back down. Let's see, trend is friend. Trend is going down. So we stick with sells for now. So what prop is that and is it good? So I'm using top one futures. I haven't had any complaints, but I haven't had a payout yet either. But Sophie, so if you want South Africa friendly prop rooms, in my description, all of them are South Africa friendly. You can use my code TEACHMAYA and you get an awesome discount. Top one actually has a 50% discount going on currently, which is quite good. But obviously, check them all out, see which one works for you. I don't want to say, oh, this one will definitely work for you. Everyone's different. Everyone looks for different things. So yeah, maybe have a quick look through. But all of them are SA friendly, so that's great. I'm saying hi from all account, but it's not reaching you. Michelle, I see you, don't you worry. BTC short for 3R, rest of trade running. Look for TBT2 and then for TB3. Ooh, damn, some guy. Whoop whoop. That's amazing. Ooh, that's exciting. Okay. What I've shared on Discord, they'll serve you well and increase your confidence using time. Thanks, Rip. Absolutely. I'm definitely gonna check it out. Yeah, just have a look-see. And like I said, if you want to get some discounts, you can use TEACHMAYA. The support would be amazing. 500 orders to buy from that level. Oh, damn. Okay, so it increased. Tamish, from this morning, I'm still on 382. I did miss on 2 trades, but I need to remind myself that it is a bank holiday. And these are not ideal conditions, because it is quite wicky. But it is what it is, right? And now it hit that buy level. Let's see if it has a bigger retracement. I'm gonna set this up. I'm not taking it before I get yelled at. Because here's that push by the looks of things. Ooh, ES is moving a whole lot slower than NQ today. NQ is a lot stronger. No, Vishal, I can't see anything. Sellers are fighting it hard. Yeah, they are. Am I looking for long? No, Vishal, no. Until proven otherwise. Ah, there we go. Looks like buyers are winning. Until proven otherwise, I'll stick with shorts. Let's see though. Maybe this is the shift. Thank you so much. Yo guys, don't forget to like the stream. Press that like button. Yeah. Don't forget to like the stream if you're at least having a little bit of funsies today. Do I trade in Forex market? No, sorry. Sorry, Tamish. If this would have been a win, I will be a grumpy goose. I will indeed be a grumpy goose. And then the problem is a FOMO will want to take over, so I need to just put my hands away so I don't do anything silly. But anyways, is anyone else in a trade right now? How's it looking? What's the plan? Ooh-wee. Ooh-wee. Oh my gosh. Hey, Starboy, what's up? Oh, okay. Heyo. I'm just feeling an itty bitty bit frustrated right now, and that, I guess it's fine, right? It's fine. I'm trying not to let the emotions take over. Don't let them win, don't let them win, don't let them win, don't let them win. Don't mind me, I'm just gonna talk to myself for a minute. Ooh. What, like you coaching me, Antonio? Is that what you're saying? I keep coming back to see if you've hit it big yet. Oh, wait, I missed. Okay, let me not say I missed two. I definitely missed one really good trade. This one here. I had the correct confirmations. I should have taken it. Anyways, this one here would have been a win. So there was another one here that would have been a win, but not as good with the confirmations and confluences. So, yeah. But it is what it is. Me, you, what? Antonio, I'm still learning, my man. Wade, when do you see yourself starting to turn a profit? Well, to be fair, Wade, so far, touch wood, if I can continue how I am, where I'm being more precise with my trades and not just taking everything willy-nilly. So, for example, yesterday and today, I've taken one trade yesterday and one trade today, and I'm up now nearly $800 for the week. Because I'm only taking correct trades that are wins. Obviously, there's no guarantee that it'll always be a win, but... So, let's say if I can continue on this path, profitable by not next month. Let's say end of the year, maybe Jan. I don't know if that's being a little bit optimistic though, but that would be nice. That would be nice. I am definitely not a teacher. Your local shorts provider? No, I'm not a teacher at all. That's how you learn. Based on data that set up, do nothing. You made money today. Also, today is the kind of day you reduce risk. I know, Rip. I know, Rip. I know, Rip. I know, Rip. It's just frustrating because look, this looks like it would have worked out. I'm really trying hard to not let FOMO win. And so, oh, you're brand new? Improvements in your mindset just in the last 2 to 3 weeks. Patient. Aw. Thanks, some guy. I'm really trying. I'm really trying. As you can see, I'm having to convince myself to not do things here. Which is difficult. It's really difficult. Oh, so 800 in your pocket? No. So because I had some bad red weeks, I don't know if you're on the vertical or the horizontal. I think you're on the vertical. So on the horizontal, you can see my eval balance. So I was close to 48. Was I? Yes. I was close to 48. I'm now back up to 50. 154 to be precise. So that's good. Now I just have to keep the green and keep growing it. Yeah. Wait, you're a teacher? You're a teacher, Wade? Really? Vishal, sorry, I have absolutely no idea. Like, fresh fish new. Damn, Antonio. Okay, well, I think first things first, you have to find a strategy that works for you. Sellers are working hard to break 25400. Joy of travel, it kind of looks that way, hey? Like I said, a little bit frustrated that these all look like they would have worked really well, but patience, patience, patience. Don't overtrade. Green is green. Can you see I'm talking myself out of doing something silly? Okay, Vishal, what up? You're a music teacher. That's so cool. Wait, yesterday... Oh, where did he go? I don't think he's here today. Yesterday there was someone studying music. We're having a conversation about music. There's still a lot of buyers there. Hey, Daddy Stocks, what up? Ups 25500. That was working hard. What do you mean? Like a walk in the park. Rip. I mean, it's a little bit of a... You know, a little bit. Was that you, Wade? I thought you were studying for something, though. I'm confused now, Wade. I am so confused. Because you're a teacher. Now I'm lost. Are you a student or a teacher? It's a documentary. Okay, Vishal, what's it about? Thank you, Joy of Travel. Okay. Got it. See, that's why I was confused. Because then you said, now that you're a teacher, and I was like... What? I'm sorry, now I feel bad. Wait, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I apologize. Vishal, I mean, what's the name of it? The only good about Netflix is documentary Netflix has. Which one is it though? Like, there's so many. Is it that Ed... What's it? Ed something, Ed Gaines or... No? I haven't watched it, by the way. I have a friend that watched it and basically told me all about it, and I was like, okay. I mean, I would still be in this trade. It would be break even, at least, by now. But damn, it is taking its time. It is back to that level. time was going so fast, and now it feels like it's slowed down again. Little tap into that level again. Let's see. Oh yeah, guys, don't forget to like the stream. I know not much is going on right now, but let's like for the community. Let's grow this amazing community. Let's do this. And if you want to show support, you can use my code TEACHMAYA for amazing discounts. I know there's a 50% off happening right now on Top One. And yeah, if you want to check out any of the other prop firms, they're all in my description below with links. Sorry, that was a lot of talking. We're back. We're back to watching them candles. Nope. There we go. That would have been so close to TP. That would have sucked. Yeah, basically, Wade. What? Are you serious? Vishal, is that real? I feel like you're lying. Nap time for me. Oh, cheers, apple butter. Enjoy your sorry ears. Looks pretty sucky. Out of curiosity, apple butter, before you, or maybe you've left already. Sorry. Never mind. I can ask you later. Sellers will break it. It's real. What? Is it good? Has anyone watched it? Do they recommend? It sounds kind of terrifying. This sounds bad, but... And would have been another win. So that's 3 in a row that would have been wins. So that's fun. That's fun for me. The next liquidity point is this previous New York low. I'll be dumb to get in on a trade. I will be dumb to get in on a trade. Okay. I'm gonna see what the next, yeah, basically what the next hour I say hour, but I want to say at 6 p.m. but obviously it won't be 6 p.m. then. No, at 11. I want to see if 11 brings anything. If not, if it's just going to continue kind of being a little bit wicky and choppy, I might call it early today because I can feel FOMO crawling in really badly. Whoop whoop. What are we whoop whooping, Rip? Me not taking a trade? Yes, whoop whoop. But yes. Damn, Vishal. Okay, I'm gonna have a look at it then. Oh no, yep. Wait, FOMO for what? It's because of the fact that I could have had 3 winning trades. So then I feel frustrated that I didn't take them, which means I then take the next setup that pops up, even if there's no confluences, because of, that's almost, I want to say it's revenge trading. It's revenge for not taking the trade. So it's not revenge of a loss. It's, I don't know. Would that be revenge or FOMO? Probably FOMO. David, I thought so. Welcome back. How you doing? Oh, negative whoop whoop for me. Oh, womp womp. That's okay though. High life, just a little bit. That's okay. What's going on? And you watched another movie? 500 Days of Summer. That sounds interesting. That is a new thing to work on. Joy of travel? What? Which part? The not letting things win? That one? Can you see I'm like having to... Sorry, David, if I woke you up, my bad. Maybe. Apologies if I woke you up. Like I said, the next point of interest would be the New York low. It's popped as it. A little bit of a blocky there, okay. But again, I don't have my confluences. There's no confluences. Why are there no confluences? Confluences be with me. Nope, there's no confluences at all. Apart from here, but that can so easily bust up above it. Okay. Sorry, yes, that thing. Ever go to the movies or you're a couch potato? To be fair, Willifru, I haven't gone to the movies in so long, and that kind of makes me upset because the movies are so nice. They're so expensive. Wow! But I do miss going to the movies. Oh, damn, David. I told you, you're going to be dreaming of candles soon. You watch these with your girlfriend. Ooh, nice, Taylor. Sorry, now I'm calling you Taylor. Michelle? Which one do you prefer? What level is New York low? I have it at 452.25. This is, was it yesterday's New York? Let me confirm. Yeah. Yesterday's New York low. Let's see if this is a fourth trade that I could have gotten into. Hey, Phantom Pips, what up? No, if the theatre operator is your girlfriend, then they're for free. Ah, well, there we go. Nice. No. Sorry, David, can you tell I'm salty about that? Theoretically, I could have had... Like I said, these two, I shouldn't be upset about. Because... This one potentially. This one no, I can't be upset about this one because it took out the liquidity. So that's fine. This one I can't be upset about because there was not proper confluence. This one I can be upset about because I had some great confluences. And I didn't take it. So, okay, that helps me a little bit. Out of the 3 winning trades, only one of them was actually valid. It does help, believe it or not. It does help. Interesting. Okay. Which line do I invest in? No, at Phantom Pips, you're right. It's just, yeah. Michelle, have I had dinner yet? No, not yet. Grinding low without really without. Oh my gosh! I've lost the ability to read and talk. Let's try that again. Trade every stream. You're already up so much. Thanks, David. Sunrise. I think she's a short seller. Oh my gosh. Party started. Study those when you have time, but don't let them pass. When you boost your strategy. I'll go do my thing now. Cheers. Oh, cheers, Rip. Thank you for all the help, by the way. I will check it out on Discord. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Why Solly's continuously absent? No, Solly was here this morning. I think it's really late there in Australia. Right? David, what time is it there for you? Hey, Richard, what up? Knowing which ones you would have taken if given your confidence in seeing them work out should give you extra confidence for actually taking trades in future. Some guy, that's valid. That is true. And like I said, this one was good. This one was not good. This one was not good. I mean, it was... this one was okay. But I wouldn't call it an A+. This has nothing. This has absolutely nothing, so... I just have to remind myself of that. Orange sunrise. You think I'm like 6'4"? It's 3 a.m. David, go to sleep. Go to sleep. 3 a.m. Isn't that the witching hour? No, that's 2 a.m. No, that's 3 a.m. 3 a.m.? When's the witching hour? What is a good sweater or jacket? I have no idea, Vishal. Epiphany, what up from Pakistan? How's it going? Hi from South Africa. How are you? Hey, hey. What did I say? If FOMO had won, watch it go down now because I said that. If FOMO had won and I'd placed this trade, I would have been... If you go down now, you better go up and hit that stop loss. Or stop loss. Oh wait, I can't stop procrastinating. I'm here watching a trading stream when I should be studying jazz arrangement. Wait, you know what? You could be doing worse things. Right? Be watching trading isn't that bad, right? Learning something while trying to learn something. Oh, you're just asking what you should buy. I mean, I just know comfy hoodies. I don't care that much about branding. What am I saying? Like 5'7", 5'7". I'm so bad with... No, I think I'm shorter than that. Am I not like 5'3"? I'm 164 centimeters. Is that 5'3"? Finn is massive. I was giving a massage, and number one, I have to stand on something to actually get there. I also have to stretch up like this. That is how big he is. Haha! That would have been a stop loss. If I'd let FOMO win, I would have been taken out. So that was a sigh of relief for not being dumb. I'm really trying so hard. This mental discipline is knocking me. No, which will look good on you? I mean, Vishal, number one, I don't know what you look like. Number two, genuinely just go with whatever's comfy. Oh, you guys are gonna judge me. I will very happily go out in my pajamas to the shops. If I am comfy and it's a weekend and I don't want to dress up, you best believe I am going to the shops in my PJs. Very excited to be on your live. I hope you have splendid... Oh, thank you, Epiphany. Well, let's see. There's not much going on today because of the bank holiday. So please don't expect amazing things. You're getting a bit of a salty, frustrated Maya. I apologize. Ooh, that's annoying. Check at that. That would have taken me out. Is this the shift or are sellers still in... Oh, nope. That answered that question. Sellers are still in control. Fight it, don't let it win. Be free. Thanks, Rip. Joy of travel. I know, I'm trying. 5'4". There we go. I'm 5'4". Scandal. I'm not an outdoor pajama person. I mean, to be fair, my pajamas are like hippie pants and a tie-dye t-shirt, so I guess for some people that's normal clothes. I do slippers to the shops. I mean, I've done slippers, but I purposefully wear my weirdest, well, I used to. I don't have them anymore. My old dog ate them, unfortunately. I had like unicorn slippers. And I would purposefully go out to the shops in the unicorn slippers just to see people's faces, because it was hilarious. See people walking past and they kind of go like, this? Brilliant. Roughly 6 feet tall, so my hoodies would go to your knees. Damn! Yeah. I would be like drowning in them. Yeah. A itty bitty. Like I said, I can show you guys a very quick video and you can get an idea of number one. Well, you know what, take it as you will. It's either how short I am or how tall Finn is, but let me find it. Oh, no, I can't show that on live, never mind. So at my yard, sorry, you guys now get a full breakdown of random things. At my yard, a dog, I'm not gonna mention breeds or anything, but a dog got into the one horse's stable and ripped, yeah, anyways, ripped her over. She's fine. Well, not fine. It's bad, but she's okay and she will be fine. But yeah, not good. I'm trying to find this video. Give me a second, give me a second, give me a second. Then you guys can see how itty bitty, no? How big Finn is. Let me not say itty bitty I am. Where is it? No, 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 nope, nope. Hurry up. Nope. Oh my gosh, no, okay, I went past it, apparently. I'll find it, I'll find it, I'm on a mission now. No, I know what's happened. Ah, okay, I'll have to find it later. PJs in the supermarket try to be bad. So wait, what's your definition of like proper pajamas? Like what are proper PJs? I look like Chris Evans 20%. Yeah. Oh man. I don't know, Michelle, like maybe a nice white hoodie. Rides inspired. What's my tattoo? It's a I need to say a slug. It's a snail. His name is, oh my gosh. He's being destroyed by the sun. I'm so sorry. Well, his name is Sunny, so I guess it works. His name is Sunny, and there's the flowers. I've been really bad at looking after them with regards to sunblock and stuff. Oh well. It is what it is. Sounds like a, yeah, willow fruit, not great. Sweatpants and no shirt for you. I mean, David, yeah, I think people will be upset if you went to the shops and no shirt, just saying. Who buys PJs in 2025? That's also a valid question. A majority of the time, my pajama shirts are the shirts that I just... They're big and baggy and I no longer wear them out, so they are now pajama shirts. Really? Yeah, some guy, no, I think here, pajamas aren't so obvious. Yeah, they're not so obvious. I just read Michelle. Yeah, no. Oh gosh. Yes, that's it. So I don't even want to, but a part of me wants to. I want to show you. It's my favorite PJ shirt. But it is so bad. Basically, the whole back, it started with one hole, and now basically the whole back is just open. But it's just one huge hole. But it's so comfy and it just lets air in. It's the best. It is the best pajama shirt I have, and I love it so much. But obviously, like, sorry guys, if anyone's popped in to discuss trading, we're here talking about pajamas, so welcome. So this looks like it would have hit the stop loss and now potentially going back down, or are we just ranging because now it's 11 and everyone's kind of gone on lunch? Wait. Well, it's basically a backless baggy shirt at this point, but it's really comfy. Should I go find... No, let's not do that. Teach my pajamas. Hey, yo. What pajamas should be, not a holy shirt. Yeah. Oh, my water's nearly done. Okay, I'm gonna give it 5 more minutes. Let's see if anything happens, or else I might call it early so that FOMO doesn't take over. Unless you guys are just enjoying the random chit chat about nothing. That sounds bad, but it's not about trading. If you guys are enjoying the random chit chat about pajamas or just apparently clothing at this point, it's a different topic every day. It was food the other day, then it was Woolworths versus Pick and Pay and Checkers yesterday. Now apparently it's pajamas. I need to see it now. Okay. How big is the hole? $500 for shirt revealed. Ah, David, no. Some guy, have I eaten? No. Okay. Are the buyers taking control, or are we staying in a range now? It kind of looks like the buyers want to take control. That would have been a loss. Cool. So win, this one was a missed, and that's fine. This would have been a win. Nothing valid there. This would have been maybe even a C setup. Let's not even call it a B setup. This would have been a loss, but I even said there was no confluences here at all. Sorry, just going through everything again in my brain. Provided drinking. What's happening? With all the sun, I'm gonna start going blonde. Which I guess is okay. I think David watches multiple streams, right? I think that's what he's saying. Pause. Who do you think David is, Rise? Inspire. Cool name, by the way. You're gonna inspire us to not go to the shops in our pajamas. Julian, you really like my chart colors. Thank you. They are awesome. There we go. David's a man on a mission. Julian, I really like the chart colors as well, because number one, it's easy on the eyes. I know some people don't like it, but yeah, easy on the eyes. Number two, no emotion provoking red and green, which helps a lot. Okay, Rise and Spy, what kind of trader am I? Scalper? Yeah. Day trader, scalper, whichever one you want to call it, whichever one suits your fancy. Would this have looked like this? Let's see. Nope, I did not put that at the right spot, but let's see. Okay, so that would have been a break even. I can tell you that for free right here, right now, but... yeah, this would have been a break even trade. Double top. Double top. Are we gonna... okay, let's see what happens. Which pair is this? So this is not a pair, this is the Nasdaq futures. Is that an eval? Yes, it is, Julian. Yes, it is. The random wild comments. Wait. You know what? Me too. I know they're completely wild, and you can see when I read them because I kind of get thrown off, but you can't say it's not entertaining. You definitely can't say it's not entertaining. Yo, sometimes I sit here and I'm like, who's going to say what next? At this point, I feel like I've seen it all. I feel like I've seen it all. And I'm scared to say that because watch tomorrow, some weird things are gonna start popping up. I'm gonna eat something before any more bones start showing. Aww! I appreciate that, but no, I'm not even where I want to be. I need to be better. Gotta be better, we got this. Major liquidity, if you look at the left, there's a fair value gap that's stopping price from dumping lower. Julian, I looked to the left. There wasn't really a fair value gap. If anything, it popped into the order block. Or what time frame are you on? Maybe, wait. What time frame are you on? Oh! Sorry, Bryce. David's not a trader, I can tell you that. What's my P&L look like? Well, I'm up today, $382, which is awesome. I'm on an eval account, and finally, let me shut up, boss. It's probably gonna go back into it tomorrow. I'm finally above the 50. I've been clawing my way back up. I was all the way down to 48. I'm back up to 50. Like I said, I've been slowly clawing my way back up. Hey Rolex, how you doing? Julian, oh, you're on the 5-minute. Cool, thank you. Let me just quickly block all the annoyances. Sorry. Ooh, right there. Ooh, there we go. It did pop a little bit further. Do you think it could just be bouncing off of this order block here? Yeah, I guess it didn't really tap into the body of the order block, so it is just being held there by the fair value gap. Okay, let's ask this. Do you think it's going to break past the fair value gap? And it's just respecting it. David, you're upsetting Michelle. November 10th, 11:55 candle. Yes. What did Michelle do? Did I miss a wild comment? No, I don't know. David's just on a mission. Never close below. Yeah, got it. 100% gonna break below. Duplicate liquidity, then reverse. So yeah, this is the New York. Yeah. We're looking at the same thing basically. This is the New York low that I thought it would potentially, yep, pop down to. So you say it's just stuck in there. And I mean, especially now, because it's puff, well, it's like lunchtime, I guess, right? You could say it's lunch. Am I using VWAP? Overdose indeed. I do use VWAP as a bit of a confluence. Where's my VWAP? There it is. Yeah, it's all the way up there. So I do use VWAP as a bit of a confluence if it comes to the party, but it's so far away right now that it's not really part of this party, is it? We're going to have a bit of a rejection to the buy side first. Okay, ES looks like it wants to start pushing. Okay. Woo, okay. Okie dokie. Okie dokie. Looks like longs for Asia-ish, to be honest. Julian, looks like long for Asia. What's the affiliate code for? All the prop firms I'm affiliated with? Yeah. If you want to check them out, they're all in the description, but yeah. What platform am I trading on? So I'm on Project X using Top 1 Futures. Is this your final session for the day? Yeah, wait, it is. Oh gosh, okay. She'll stream again in 16 hours. There we go. Let me double check. No. Let me not now go and lie to you. I sometimes do that. No, I don't have Top Step, sorry. Oh, Top Step. Yeah, sorry. So I'm South African. Top Step's not allowed for South Africans, unfortunately. I would love to be with Top Step. That's why I had to double check. I was like, no, yeah. Unfortunately, don't have Top Step. Okay, David, shame. Let Vishal stay for now. If he's weird again, you can ban him again. No, I don't have a Top Step code. No. I'm sorry, Vishal. Damn. Okay. It's an EKG monitor. It is, Mr. D. Michael. It is. Oh, there we go. Yeah. See, David's got this. Win for Vishal. Vishal's a man on a mission. Definitely. Can't deny that, right? Yeah, so Julian, unfortunately not top step, but, and like I said, so I didn't know about that. I didn't know that they stopped giving creators codes. Interesting. But mostly just because I'm South African and top step is not, or South Africa is one of the no zones, I guess, the no zones. Hey, Southpaw, you still watching? Hi. Okay, maybe we have had a little bit of a shift. I promise you, if this now in the PM goes up to where I wanted it to go earlier, I'm gonna be a grumpy goose. Well, I mean, I'm a bit of a grumpy goose anyways today, but it's fine. Okay, okay, okay. You guys can laugh at me. I am laughing at me. I'm taking... Come here. Come here. There we go. Let's go. Let's go, little buddy. Let's go, little buddy. I'm taking note of this itty bitty. I had to zoom in that much to actually just grab it. Move that across. Cool. Right. I have no clue what's going on, but it's fine. It's fine. Let's... Whoa. Okay, then. Have we been slowly chopping down just to get this freaking push up? What a random time for this to happen as well. What? The only place I'll be since I'm out and about. I'm waiting for my haircut. Ooh, ate breakfast at IHOP. Picked up some free meals from Texas Roadhouse and Baba. Southpaw, do you want to share? That sounds amazing. That sounds so nice. Oh, thanks for the new sub, by the way. It sounds super yummy. I'm jelly. To be fair, I've never had any of those. I've never had IHOP. I've never had Roadhouse. Roadhouse? Roadhouse? Or Bubba's 33. Team South Africa Wi-Fi struck. No! Is it fine now? Is it better? I'm so sorry. Many apologies. Yeah, Ayama. Come to Texas and we'll hit the restaurants. Ooh, Southpaw. That sounds amazing. Except I'm a very slow eater. I think I'll piss everyone off. I never used funded accounts, never tried to sign up on my win rate. It's 56%. I'm scared of going to debt. Any advice? Overdose, so what do you use? Do you use prop firms? What's your thing? What's the exchange rate for lobster bands? Michelle's back. Hi, Michelle. How you doing? Oh wait, no, I'm not gonna say it's you. I'll have to make a brand again. What is going on? What's happening? Just rejecting off of this fair value gap, which means actually I guess shorts would be preferable. Why did this all of a sudden happen? Anyone know the answer to this? Golden crypto. What's my favorite fast food? Oh wait, oh probably Burger King. Yeah, probably Burger King. That's really good. I'm gonna introduce you to my son. He's 6'3", a civil engineer and a Pacho age. Oh, there we go, Southpaw. Yeah. Southpaw over here trying to hook me up. Yeah, listen, South Park, really slow. I used to drive everyone absolutely mental. Sorry, I'm having such a good giggle, South Park. You're so sweet. Thank you. I feel like KZN has some decent food. It does. It does. I had my first bunny chow the other day, but non-spicy because I'm very... It's really sad. I know. I'm so pathetic with spicy foods. I'm so pathetic. Like, my friends like to tease me and say white rice is too spicy for you, and I'm like, okay. Inverted head and shoulders can be powerful. Interesting. Oh, wait! I mean, listen, KFC is good. Jordy would be disappointed if a shell wasn't banned. Oh my goodness, okay. That would have been a very quick... disappointing... freaking trade right there. So out of curiosity, I'm gonna kind of do this for higher time frame sake. So as you can see here, this looks like it would have... Oh no, this would have maybe... No, it's still good. Would have tapped in here, gone a little bit further up. Let's see if this goes all the way down to the 1.1 level. I kind of think it is. No ways. Like I said, that would have just been absolutely devastating. Imagine I waited all this time thinking this is it, and that just took me out one shot. Okay, no, this is looking too tempting. I think I'm gonna call it there for today. Sorry I didn't take anything today, guys. I did have valid reasons for not taking them, so I'm glad I didn't. Well, all of them except for one. I should have maybe taken this trade here. All the others I did have valid reasons. Hey, look at it go. Ah. Interesting. Okay. I can smell the sugar factory. It smells like syrup. So it's really cool. When the wind is blowing in a certain direction, there's a sugar factory. You know Lovo, the sugar brand. There's a sugar factory down the road. When I say down the road, it's quite a while. It's quite far down the road. But when the wind blows this way, you then smell it and it just smells like syrup. And it smells so good. If I could capture that and make it a coffee, like a coffee flavor that tasted like this smells. Am I making sense? Okay, no, I've reached the talking rubbish level. So let's call it there for today. You don't like food that's too spicy. Oh, thank you, Wade. See? Thank you. Sorry, I only saw that now. You can't even taste the food because your mouth is on fire. It makes no sense. Anyways. I still have to try your marinades. Apparently, David, we thought my daughter had finished eating, so we went shopping while we were leaving one of the places. And I saw lump in a chick was a pot of potato. A southpaw, that's amazing. Oh, Dark Angel, hi! How are you? Thank you. Thanks, guys. Yeah, it took a lot to not play some FOMO trades today. I'm not gonna lie, it took a lot. But thank you for the support. Thanks, guys. Means a lot that you guys are still here. Waiting for only the green line drawn below. Ooh! So, technically this would have been... Well, check. This would have been a goodie. Interesting. Okay. Damn. What the heck? Normally it's the other way around. Normally it's busy and around this time it starts to chop, and apparently it's just going, nope, joke's on you. Well, we know you're not a degenerate gambler. There we go. That's cool. It's very close to my place and late at night. And what you need to add a game you're playing for the stream. There's a stocks and bonds. Ooh. Okay, thanks, Bob. Let's say thanks, Sanga. Talking, it's getting you some more subscribers. Yeah, came for the trading and stayed for. Thanks, Wade. Yeah, that's part of the fun, right? You come here for the trading, you end up staying because we start talking about pajamas. Hey, D-Grade, what up? Get more subscribers. We love to hear you talk a lot. Thanks, Southpaw. Wolfie! Wolfie, how are you? Yeah, careful. David's a man on a mission, so like, be cool. Be careful. I tried to say be cautious and be careful, and be cough came out. Anyways. Well, I did say that you'd hit 10k by December. I don't think so, Muller. I don't think so. More stop loss? No. Aw. You don't know what I know. I'm sorry, I'm about to leave. So you left a runner the other day. Love that. Yeah, hell yeah. I've been trying to leave a runner for majority of my trades. Didn't work in my favor today though, unfortunately. But that's fine. You know, still in the green. It is what it is. Gotta be nice. Okay. Or else I will just continue talking forever and ever and ever. I love you guys madly. Thank you for joining today for the chaos. Southpaw, have an amazing... I've lost connection. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm back. No, am I back? I don't know. Okay, I'm back, I think. Yes, okay, I'm back. Okay, please don't forget to like the stream. If you want to show support, you can use my affiliate code, TeachMaya, with any of the props in the description below. I love you guys madly. I know the Wi-Fi is being funny, so it's good timing. Mwah. I'm gonna call it there. So much. Thank you for all the support. Mad love, everyone.